and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by to my channel, my name is Tessy. You're welcome here, and I want to thank you all for always coming back to my channel, for subscribing. Please do subscribe because you will not feel disappointed. I post everything food, Italian, continental, Nigerians, and other food, so feel free to subscribe. Okay, so in this, I'm looking here because my daughter is trying to make a mess here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare oha soup using oatmeal powder to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. So these are the meats I'm going to be using: some cow head and beef, mackerel, fish, oatmeal powder, no, some crayfish, some smoked dry fish, stockfish, pepper, oha, and ogiri. Don't forget your red oil or banga cream. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using, guys. Now let's get to the cooking. An onion as well, in case if I did not mention onion. So I'm going to season the meat now with onion, salt, and nut cube, and allow that to cook for a couple of minutes. The cow head I'm using is not this strong type of cow head. It's the soft type of cow head. They sell it in Italian shop here. So yeah, I'm not going to be cooking them for long. So I added the onion, nut cube, salt, and pepper. Yes, I love to boil my meat with some pepper. So I added some water as well. Normally, I don't use water to cook my meat, but because I don't need to remove them, this is why I added the water. So as you can see, the meat is cooking. I added the stockfish and the dry fish. I washed the dry fish with salt and hot water. So go ahead and clean your dry fish very well. And over there, I'm frying the mackerel fish. Optional, guys. You can choose to cook it, you can choose to fry it. So the meat is halfway cooked. I'm adding my red oil. I extracted this red oil from the banga soup stew I made. In case if you haven't seen it, please check it out. I'm going to be leaving it description and also at the end screen. So after adding that, I'm basically adding all the ingredients inside, like crayfish, pepper, the dry fish, everything I'm using at this moment. So I'm going to allow that oil to cook. Like, I love to cook my oil until it turns yellow. This helps to, I don't know, but it gives your soup different taste. So if you haven't tried cooking your oil for until it turns that golden yellow, try it. Okay, so I'm correcting the seasoning now, adding another nut cube. So it's your taste. You need to cook the soup to your taste. So here the soup is balanced, like the taste is balanced. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the oatmeal powder. I actually added it dry this way, but I didn't like it, so I had to stop and add water into the remaining one and mix it with water before adding it again into the soup. But you can choose to add your own powder like this, but I wasn't feeling it when I added added the powder into the soup. So anyhow, now I'm going to add my Ogili Igbo. If you don't have Ogili Igbo, go ahead and use your locust beans, the one you have. Okay, trust me, it gives your oha soup a different taste. It's really, really good if you can find one. So after that, I'm going to add another water into the soup. Go ahead and stir everything to make sure they are well combined. So after that, I put the lid on, and here I am. This is the color I was talking about, guys. As you can see, you can't see that red oil inside the soup. Everything is yellow now. So I added the mackerel fish that I fried earlier inside. And at this point, I'm just going to put the lid and allow them to stay for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I'm stirring them again. And after I'm done stirring them, I'm going to add the oha. Another thing is that the consistency of the soup depends on you. If you want it to be very thick, go ahead and add more thickener. If you don't want it, make it a little bit liquidy, which is what I was looking for at this particular soup. So now I added my oha into the soup. I don't like to stir the oha as soon as I add it, so I'm going to allow that oha to stay for 2 minutes before I stir them. And it was a mistake. I didn't show when I was stirring this oha after 2 minutes of cooking, because I didn't know that the camera was turned off. So guys, this is after 3 minutes of adding the oha. I stirred them and the soup is cooked, guys. I love this soup so much, and that cow head was like, I finished almost everything. Like seriously, this soup was so delicious, guys. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.